Right. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Medea J, and today's video is a little different for me. I tend to buy like techie stuff, like stuff upgraded for my room, or I get gifted them, and I never actually come on here to show you guys what I get and how I use it. So I thought this video would be perfect. So I was sent two products for my own enjoyment, I might say, and to also show you guys. And there are two items that are really important to me and are things that I have been on the lookout for ages for, as I have spent money on countless devices that just don't cut it. So I am hoping that these products will cut it. Now, I haven't actually opened the product, so this is a real lifetime unbox with me type of video. So I hope you guys do enjoy it. If you do, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and watch this video. It really does help me out a lot. I really do appreciate when you guys slide into the comments and leave a comment. I think it's really nice, and I try to respond, and actually do respond to all of you. And I thank you guys so much for all your love and all your constant support. Yes, thank you guys. So yeah, I do appreciate that. So I'll just let you guys subscribe to my channel before we get right into the video. So let me just check what's happening on Instagram real quick while you guys are subscribing. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So I was sent this box, and I have to open the box to actually confirm that the items did arrive, but I haven't actually opened the contents in the box yet. So this is a lifetime It is a live unboxing video. So I'm going to show you guys what I got sent and why I think they are bloody brilliant, and hopefully if they work as well as they say they will or should, then guys, yeah. So the first item is this TriStar vanity mirror. Now I'm just gonna read some of the product description of what it is, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like and also demo it so you guys can see the full details. So the TriStar vanity mirror is an LED vanity mirror. It lights up. It has a light up mirror with 180 degrees rotatable trifold design, which means it opens up, and then it's sturdy, it's lightweight, and it's got up to 10 times magnification for extra precision for perfect viewing. Girl, eyeliner, lashes, yes. Perfect for shaving in bathroom, for makeup application. Great to sit on your vanity, on your dressing table. It also uses USB lead, which is included, or 4 AAA batteries, which are not included. So yeah, let's burst this guy up and have a look, see what she looks like. So first of all, the packaging is really sturdy. Like, you could easily gift this to someone without worrying about how it's going to look wrapped. This is how it looks like at the back. And at the back, you've got information about the product. It says it comes in a white color. It's got a soft touch dimmer sensor for brightness control. You can use a battery, or you can use USB power, which is included. It says it's fixed up to 1:3 magnification and a removable 10 times magnification panel. That's really good. It says it's got 22 adjustable LEDs, which mean you can find the perfect brightness setting for you. What else? That's really generally it. So let's have a look. So it comes in parts. So this is one part, which is the main body of it. So this is what they mean by a trifold design, which means if I pop that open, you can see one half of the panel, and I pop that open, you can see another half of the panel. I'm not going to blind you guys, but that's what it means. And as you can see, that fell off. It's got protective film. So I'm going to set this aside while I get the other pieces. It's got your manual. It's got another protective. And then it's got the base. So this is what the base is. It's plastic. The actual mirror is glass, but the body of it is plastic. And then this is probably the 10 times magnification. Again, I'm not gonna blind you guys. And it comes in a bubble wrap. And then this is the LED. This is the US. So I'm sure you can easily use a phone adapter to connect it to the plug. But this is what it looks like, or your laptop. And then yeah, it just has about the company in the box as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this guy up and test it out for you guys to see what it looks like. Right, so I've connected the parts for the mirror. So I'm just gonna connect the wire to an existing iPhone plug that I have, because I plan on using it while charging, as opposed to not charging, but while connected to light, as opposed to battery. So I'm just going to connect that to the back, like so. And then it has an on and off switch, like that, at the back. So if I turn it on, yeah. So I've turned it on now. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys. You can see me. Hello. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the inside. So it's got the 3-way type of mirror, and you can fully open those. And then you've got the main mirror here where you can control the light. You've also got a little section here for things like, I tend to use like my lash glue, my brow pomade, eyebrow pencil, things like that I use quite frequently. I put them in this little space. And then you've got the little film just to protect the glass. You've also got this extra section, which is the 10 times zoom type of glass mirror that you can connect there, actually anywhere you want it, because it's got suction tubes at the back for you to be able to place it and take it off whenever and wherever. Oh, say I did that. I can always take that off at a later date, should I not want to have it there anymore, by just taking it off the mirror like that, which I think is brilliant, because sometimes you really want to go into that eye look, and you're there, especially when you're recording, you're there trying to hold the mirror but not trying to block the camera. It's really difficult. So this to me is a lifesaver. So I'm going to take off the protective nylons, and then we're going to test the light. And this is really good because it's really protected the glass. You guys don't know how excited I am for this thing. Like, I have legit been suffering with the shit mirror that I have. So without blinding you guys or showing you guys my really tragic setup, it's really tragic because I'm in my living room. Really tragic. Or without showing you my entire life. This is what it looks like. So you can see it is quite a tall mirror. You guys can see the length of it. So you press it once and it gives you that illuminating light. So I'm going to go ahead and close my blinds so that you guys can actually see how bright it is, because it is really bright. So I've closed my blinds and I've turned off my lights, and the only light you can see is the light from a vanity. And you guys, can you see how bright this guy is? Like, literally the only thing lighting up this room at the moment is this vanity. You can see my nails, you can see my hands, you can see everything. So it is really bright. I'm really impressed with it. This thing is really bright. And plus, as I said, you've got that 10 zoom mirror you can place there for precision. Like, if I put my nails close to it, can you see how really zoomed in my nails are as opposed to here? See? Zoomed, normal, zoomed, normal. So I am really impressed with this. I'm really happy that I've got something to use now and not the shitty not the shitty one that I've got. So yeah, I highly recommend this. I'll leave the link to where you can get it in the description box below. You can get it from Amazon, easy, really affordable. Maybe another thing I would say is, obviously if this company is watching, I would, maybe it does exist, have it in a black color, because with a white color it will probably get dirty for the purpose that I want to use if I'm into makeup, so my hands and stuff touching the mirror, so it will pretty much get dirty. The material itself can easily be wiped, but I'm just just being lazy. But yeah, so I didn't get to show you guys, it actually can tilt up. You can tilt all the way up. You can tilt it all the way down. Oop, all the way down. To take off this little mirror, you can close it should you want to pack it away. But that looks cute, doesn't it? Like, comment below if you think this looks cute. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys find this useful. If you're looking for a vanity mirror, you're looking for a makeup mirror, I do highly recommend this. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Right, so the second item is this iStar fast wireless charging pad. Now you guys, like, let me just tell you something. My iPhone, yeah, is old. Okay, let's put it that way. Like, it's supposed to have been upgraded, but for some reason I just haven't upgraded it, so I've just been using it now, and this is going 3.5 years of using it. So I find that the battery life dies quite quickly, and again it takes forever to charge. So when this company asked me to select the items that I would like to review, I just thought, shit, I need something that's gonna charge my phone like ASAP, like seriously. So I'm just gonna read to you guys what this product actually does. So this is the iStar Qi certified wireless charger. It says, untangle your life with the iStar fast wireless charger. It is a sleek, portable wireless charging pad with dual charge mode, which means fast and standard. It says, simply place your mobile phone onto the charging mat and go. It's that easy. Wireless charge your device up to 2 times faster with fast charge mode. But this is how it looks like in the pack. So you've got the disc, which looks like this, and it's very light, guys, like legit light. And then you've got the USB cable, which looks like this. You've got a manual, and you've also got the box, and also some packaging material, which is to say that it came in a safe condition. So I'm gonna go ahead and test this guy to see how she works. So I have connected it to my iPhone plug and connected it to a socket, and this blue light came on. Now my current phone isn't QI compatible, so your mobile device has to be QI compatible before you can use this device to charge it. And currently I've got the iPhone 6s, which is this guy, and I've just looked it up, and it says that my iPhone currently isn't QI enabled, it isn't QI compatible. So the phones that are QI compatible are the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone 8X. There are some people who are able to make the iStar compatible for the iPhone 6s, so you can look it up if you want. The things you can do to make your phone compatible. But when the product was made, it was made specifically for mobile devices that are immediately QI compatible. So even if I tried to place my phone on it, it would not charge it because my phone isn't QI compatible, hence why you've got that beeping light there. So it isn't doing anything, it isn't charging, it isn't connecting. So if you've got an iPhone 8, now I'm going to have an upgrade really soon, yay, hence why I've decided to go for this device to review for you guys. So if you do have the iPhone 8 family, do go ahead and purchase this guy. It is really, really useful. It is really good. The reviews on Amazon are bloody amazing. Right, so those are all the products that were sent to me. Let me know if you guys like these kind of tech talk types of videos, like what types of lighting I use, where I get my lighting from, what type of camera I use, what type of lenses I use. If you want information like that, I usually think that I use the basic stuff, so I never think that people would be interested in how I set up or what I record with. But if you guys really want to know, do let me know and I will record a video. I'll also provide links as to where I get my stuff, as I am based in the UK, and everything that I have are like I got them from the UK, so I can link them to places for you to be able to get your own shit. Sorry, for you to be able to get your own stuff. I couldn't help it. That was just there. It was just there. And I just had, yeah, I do. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment box below. And again, I will leave the links to these specific items in the description box below for you guys to shop. Now, please do bear in mind, I like to be open with you guys, no hidden anything. These links are affiliate links, so if you do shop, I will get a percentage. It's not going to affect you, it's not going to increase the cost, but it's a recommendation, and you know, it's nice to get, like, help, like, if you like the product, just use the link, love. Just use the link. Like, loads of people are out there not being honest, but I'm here legit being honest. So if you want to support your girl and you need this product, use the links, loves. Use the links. Okay? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in a future video. Mwah!